I'm gonna show you my projects, all of like not all of them. So let's get starting. So this is my fuzzy little cat project. Yeah, it follows your finger, and yeah, if you press the cat, yeah, it's gonna tell me. So I'm just show you. So when the oh my god. Okay, yeah, that's actually quite speed. So when the start button is clicked. Oh my god. Oh my. Yeah. So when the green flag is clicked, then it's gonna like. How do I say this? Let me just do something real quick. Yeah, it follows your mouse pointer finger. If you're like it's mobile friendly. So when the start flag is clicked, forever it's gonna glide to the mouse pointer or your finger. Yeah, I don't understand why it doesn't tell it in Scratch. When the sprite is clicked, yeah, of course. Okay, when the green little flag is clicked, of course, forever is gonna point towards the mouse pointer. Next on the project, yeah, leave. Yeah. Catch the apple. Yeah. This is one of my other projects. So you have to catch the apple, or else you won't score points. So yeah, it's gonna like automatic. Oh my god! It's gonna automatically do it for you. Yeah, like you don't have to press or anything. It just like it's gonna do it automatically coming out of the sky, and it's random, which is great. Yeah, that was one of my projects. Let me just show you what's inside of it. Yeah, so when the green flag is clicked, set the score to 0, show variable score. Yeah, of course. Forever, it's going to show, of course. Go to random position. Repeat until y position is lesser than negative 180. Change y by negative 5, of course. It's going to repeat until that. If it is negative 180, then it's going to change the y into negative 5. If it is touching the basket, then I change the score by 1, and then it's going to hide, of course. Next project, moving on. Yeah, this is one of my favorite games. Yeah, so this is one of my favorite projects. It's like called the ping pong game. So when it touches your green thing, yeah, then it's gonna like bounce. Which is one of my favorite games. I love to make. No kidding. Yeah. And if it is touching the red thing, if you don't catch, it's gonna go into the red thing. Let me show you. You just go to the red thing. It's gonna tell you lost, and it's gonna stop all. This is a great project, right? Yeah. So it's a mouse, laptop, and mobile friendly. So this is the show you. Yeah, this is the line code. Yeah. So if it is touching the ball, then it's gonna tell you lost. The line is like this thing. Let's put it back. Okay, yeah. And forever, if it is touching the ball, then it's gonna stop everything what happened. Okay, and the paddle, forever it's gonna set the X to your mouse pointer, or mobile friendly also, which also follows your fingers. Eep, 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 eep. Okay, no playing. Yeah, ball. So when the yeah, the ball is clicked, then go to position 0, of course. Point in direction 45, and direction 45 is like here. Let me just show you. Yeah, like it's up, just so that you can think for a second what's about to happen. And forever it's gonna move 10 steps. If on edge, then bounce. So yeah, it's gonna forever move 10 steps. And if this yeah, so yeah, if you don't know it's gonna point in direction 45, then forever it's gonna move 10 steps. Then if it is on the edge, then it's gonna bounce. Yeah, and if the when the green flag is clicked, set score to 0 forever. If it is touching the paddle, then change score by 1. Yeah, of course. This paddle, it's the green thing. It's the green thing. Yeah, it's this green thing. Then if it is touching the paddle, then it's gonna like turn 180 degrees and yeah, keep moving in 10 steps. Wait for 0.5 seconds just for you to see it's bouncing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea how does it bounce on the walls. Let me see if it's yeah. If it is on the edge, then it's gonna bounce. That's why. Yeah. It's gonna move for 10 steps forever, which is great. So let me save this project just so that nothing's changed. Yeah. Now let me show you one of my other projects. Yeah, it's called the Ant Game. You score points like that is gonna keep moving forward, which is actually quite very small. Ask me why. Yeah, the ants is very freaking small. Yeah, sorry if you cannot see that. If you're using TV just to see, yeah, please just kind of go close. Yeah, I just wanted to make like small, yeah. Cause since ants are very small, of course, right? Yeah. Yeah, let me just do some random things. Yeah. So you have to use your mouse pointer, and if it is touching those yellow things, yeah, then it's gonna like change your score by 1. Yeah. So let me show you the game. Bam, bam, yeah. This is gonna happen. It's like gonna be like this, yeah. Then yeah, let me just show you what's inside. And if it is touching the edge, just then it's gonna like stop. Yeah, start the game again. Like it's gonna stop everything when you just touch the edge. So when the orange yeah, the green flag is clicked, then it's gonna go to the random position. Then it's also gonna pick a random position, which you can just put the random position. But though I just put it that so that does not like touch anywhere like in the edge. If it stays in the edge, then it's gonna be very hard. That's why. And then of course it's gonna show forever. After that, forever, if it is touching the player, which is this ant, then go to a random position, the food, and yeah, change score by 1. Yeah, that's right. This is the player. It is quite easy. Let me show you. Yeah, switch costume to head, of course. Set size to 100, of course. Yeah, go to -62 to -22. just so that you have time just to move. Point in direction 90, of course, just so that you're gonna have time. You can ignore the white lag thing. Yeah, let's remove this. Yeah. Okay. Show. Switch costume to head just for no reason. I just wanted. If it's starting on it, then it's gonna stop all, and it's gonna keep moving for 5 steps forever. When up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow is clicked, then it's gonna like move up, down. Yeah. And this is not mobile friendly or tablet friendly. Yeah, whatever. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna save now. Okay. Yeah. Now what game should I show you? Yeah, I'm gonna touch the octopus, which is one of my first games. You just ignore the S. I just did it for no reason. So this pterodactyl. Yeah, the pterodactyl, it's gonna like keep moving forever. And the penguin, I just like change. Yeah. So if it's touching the pterodactyl, then it's gonna like stop all. Plus you have some time just to see. Like it does not start first. You just have to like kind of wait for some time. Yeah. You have to touch the octopus to score the points. And yeah, if you touch the pterodactyl, which is that dinosaur which is floating around, yeah, then you're dead. Yeah, it's gonna minus your points. Yeah. Let me show you what will happen if it goes to 0. Yeah, and yeah, it's -1. Yeah. Actually, it's quite funny when I see that number, -1. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this game is endless. Yeah, I kind of forgot. So forever, if left arrow key, right arrow key is yeah, then it's gonna move 10 steps. If right arrow key is pressed, and you're gonna do next costume just to make it a little animated. Move -10 steps, which means backward, if the left arrow key is pressed. Then also let me just yeah, it's next costume just to make it animated. If it is touching the octopus, then change score by 1. It's gonna change the score by 1. Go to -200. Why -100? Oh, just happened. Yeah, let's go back. Yeah. And if it is touching the octopus, which is right, and this evil octopus. Yeah, it's not evil. I'm just joking. Yeah. So if it is touching the octopus, then yeah, you're gonna score. Okay, and it's gonna change score by 1. And then go to -200, -103, and wait for 1 second, just so that you don't quite cheat, like just like keep moving, and yeah, it's gonna just -2 points. This pterodactyl. Yeah, this is actually just a pterodactyl. Don't call it dinosaur. I just really wanted to call it as its name. Okay, next one. When the green flag is clicked, if touching the penguin, of course, play sound pop if the pterodactyl is touching it, and change score by -1. I mean, it's not gonna change it into -1, but it's gonna change it minus -1, which is minusing your score. And wait for 1 second, of course. Okay, and then this is the yeah, the green flag. So when forever, it's gonna like glide to 2 seconds to 136. Then after that, wait for 1. It's gonna like. Then after that, it's gonna glide 2 seconds to down, which is negative. Positive is up, negative is down, and then left is negative, right is positive. Octopus, you would know that. Yeah. So set score to 0 just to do the job. Yeah. whatever. If it is touching the penguin, then change score by 1. Wait and wait for 1 second. Change score by 1 and wait for 1 second. Oh, yeah. If it is touching the penguin, then just change score by 1. Wait for 1 second. Which means it's not gonna instantly work. Yeah, there is the game. Save now just for no reason. I cancel. Yeah, let me select that saving. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to put the S. Yeah, that's for no reason. Okay. Now let me just show you the king answer. Yeah, if you don't remember, well, what's that video? You got to watch that video, yeah. So there's like gonna be, yeah. So yeah, you have 100 population, 100 money, 100 happiness. So it's like it's gonna tell the name of that guy, Scary Stickman, just cousins. So it's gonna say, I want free money, yeah. So you put yes, it's gonna get scammed. Yes. And it's gonna get scammed and change your money into 90. This is the police. I saw you got scammed. Do you want me to catch the thief? If you put no, sure. Okay, and then it's gonna show bingo woof woof, can you adopt me? If you put yes, her, yeah, it's gonna change the population to 101. And yeah, there. And this is just the cat sprite which is sitting. Yeah, I just wanted to do it just by changing its costume. So yeah. So this is the chair for the cat, and this is the cat with the crown. Yeah. Arrow 2. Yeah, I don't understand why this here. Bad boy, get out. And why is it not going? Hello? Oh yeah. Okay, now it's Banana's turn. Yeah. So yeah, this is gonna happen. Yeah. So yeah, first the Scary Stickman's gonna come. So when yep. Yeah, this is one of my biggest projects. So what was yeah. So when the green flag is clicked, then it's gonna tell the name. Says the name equals Scary Stickman. Yeah, it's gonna say I want free money. It's gonna ask want free money. Then of course, if the answer is yes, then it's gonna tell get scammed for 2 seconds. Change money by -10, which is gonna change your money by -10, and it's gonna hide after that. Else change happiness by -1 if no. If the answer is like no. Broadcast 2 money. Broadcast 2, and it's gonna hide. And after that, it's gonna broadcast 1. So yeah, why did it broadcast 2? Well, you'll see. This is the Indian police woman I just found out from Google. Yeah, say police for 2 seconds. I saw you got scammed. Want me to catch the thief? Then yeah, it's gonna tell that as a question. If the answer is yes, then it's gonna take a little bit money for 2 seconds. Then it's gonna change money by -5, and it's gonna show. Okay. If the answer is of course no, then hide and broadcast message 2. And the dog's gonna come after that. Yeah. And when it's message 3, why? I know. When I receive message 2, yeah. Then stop other scripts in the sprite. So that does not like come when like it's gonna tell you got scammed by the thief. So okay. So yeah, it's gonna when it receive message 2, then it's gonna stop all of the things in the script sprite, and yeah, it's gonna broadcast message 2. Why message 2? You'll see. Yeah, the dog's gonna come. So when I receive message 2, then show, it's gonna tell the name Bingo for 2 seconds. Woof woof, can you adopt me? And I'll wait. If the answer is yes, then it's gonna change the population by 1. Oh yeah, let's just do something and change happiness by 1. Yeah, 1. Okay. Yeah, broadcast message 3. You can ignore message 3. Yeah, you don't need to know message 3. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah. There, now show the other one. Can answer kind of takes some of us not that long. We scratch catch, so you don't have to know. Yeah, we're gonna do a part 2 later. Yeah, after this video we're gonna do part 2 because it's taking very long. Surprisingly, it's 21 minutes, so yeah. Have a great time, bye.